Welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change color of cell in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly, select the cells of which you want to change the color. So after selecting the cells, so here you can see this options, fill color. So just click on it, and here you can see different color. So select the color. So after selecting the color, click on it. So you can see color is changed. So if you want to change color of multiple cells, so just select the cells. So after this, again click on it, and then select the color. So after selecting, click on it. So you can see color is changed. So guys, in this way you can change color of cells in Excel. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.